one of two bridges we've gone across. Boyd Gap Overlook. This is downhill from Boyd Gap. Another slide. Okay. I don't know what those, this is a cool bridge you go across. Little mini trestle. Yeah, a little downhill. I already missed half of it. As soon as I do hit the spider web, or something's creaking bad. After a long downhill, oh, there's a jump. Oh, I guess you could have rolled it. Oh, there's like a steep line of the bridge coming up somewhere. Keep going so fast, sometimes it's blurry. It's a long downhill. And that's odd because you're going downhill, so there we go. Then we're back to the road.